today I want to give you a few reasons like why am I out here in very poor camping conditions. The first reason why, right now it is Saturday afternoon. There's not one dog, there's not one person on this beach. And that's why you want to get your camping gear ready when it starts to rain. There is nobody around. Alright, so let's find a nice place to set up camp. This looks pretty sick, yeah. Ooh. It's spooky, I give you that much. But yeah, hopefully there's going to be no one besides me lurking around in here. If I come across anyone, they'll probably be more scared of me than I am of them. Okay, so let's get this party started. So I've got a lot of space inside. So we've got our camp set up. You know what, I might just go for a swim. Here's another thing with me, when these ideas come into my head, there's nothing I can do. It's like you're going for a swim. Christ. Pretty fun little shore break here. Oh. Oh. The second reason why I'm out here is to burn calories. Go for a swim, foraging around, trying to find stuff, setting up the camp, hiking to the camp. It all adds up. Yeah, it's keeping me sharp. 3 severe warnings for the location that I'm at now. It's currently 14.2 degrees Celsius. We're expecting 35 to 80 millimeters of rain. So we've got a severe weather warning, hazardous surf warning, and a marine wind warning. So I fried the vegetables in sesame oil, onions, garlic, tomato, asparagus and mushrooms. Then put the noodles in with all the flavorings from the noodles and then a whole lot of water. It's made this awesome, it's almost like a Japanese soup. Here's a third reason. I want to be close to nature, I want to be in the nature, I want to feel the nature. Jesus. Leech. Jesus, that's a leech. That is the most disgusting animal. Yes. So the quick and easy way to get rid of a leech is you just set the thing on fire. So this season, because it's been so wet, there's just leeches, ticks, everything around. So on that note, it's time to go to sleep. I suppose that brings me to the next reason why I'm here is the experience. It's all about learning. Every time you do it, you get better, which gives you more confidence. So yeah, it actually got pretty heavy rain last night. So that brings me to another reason. But this time we're going to get a bit deeper, we're going to go deeper under the hood here at Rangatrips. Camping in the rain, especially waking up on a morning like this where you know you got these pockets of blue sky, there's optimism. It's like a window into life, right? Life, you're going to have your good times and you're going to have your bad times. I'm still trying to train myself to do this, but if you can like embrace the bad times, take them like head on, learn from them, and know that you just look at every bad thing that may have happened to you in your life, it always turns out better over time. It may take 2 days, it may take 24 hours, it could take 10 years. So if you think about it that way, it can be easier for you to pick up your bag on those rainy days and go, you know what, I need to prepare myself for the bad times. Not just from the nature, but also mentally, things like that. Go, look, let's just get out there and get stuck into it. This bad weather is not going to get me down. So if you keep on exposing yourself to bad times, then when good times come along, you'll be like, wow, this is like, you appreciate just that little glimmer of sun that's coming through between the clouds there. You're like, you know what, that is awesome. There, the rain's arrived again. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like camping in heavy rain, you're gonna like this next video where I hike up to the top of a hill and set up a tarp on top and a massive rain squall comes through. I'll see you there, or else I'll see you the next time we cross paths. You.